guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SSC Master Teacher here at Vedantu. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself, right? Chalo, that's amazing. So, guys, before we started this session, if you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and show some love by hitting the like button. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much in advance. All right. So, guys, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about some common mistakes which the students do in SST examination. The very first one, not reading the question properly. Guys, I have seen kids like they are like, sir, we have only 90 minutes and we have to solve 50 questions, 50, 60 questions. And for every question, we have like nearly 1.5 minutes. So what they do, they read the question quickly, they read the option and they try to fill the bubble. Guys, what happens in this case? We might skip some important keywords while reading the question, and eventually you might select the wrong option. So guys, reading the question properly is very very important. Make sure that you are reading the question twice. All right, like if I give you an example, let's say the assertion is agriculture is not an old activity. Now, we might read the statement in such a way like agriculture is an age old activity, but over there not is given to you. So agriculture is not an age old activity. So try to understand, if you read it in a different way, the meaning will be different and eventually you will select the wrong option. So please read the entire question carefully. And this is a very common mistake which the student do. Next one, guys, being in hurry to fill the bubble. All right, we have very less time, so what we do, we read the question quickly, we see the options and we try to fill the bubble. जल्दी जल्दी में उसको भरते हैं. Because in this case, you might fill the wrong bubble. Like you wanted to fill option B, but आपने गलती से C पे choose कर लिया. Yeah, the bubble is not filled properly. Exactly. So here you might lose marks. A very very common mistake, guys. The next one, wasting time on a specific question. Guys, here I would like to tell you guys, you can solve the entire question paper in three ways, three round. What you can do, let's take an example. There are 50 questions. You started from the very first question in round one. You saw like you're confident with the first question. You did it right. You went to the next question. The next question you're not confident. Skip that one. Go to the third one. If you're not aware about the right answer for the third question, go to the fourth one. Okay, you know the fourth answer, fill it. Try to understand, guys. In the very first round, let's take an example. There are 50 questions and you were able to solve 30 questions confidently. Now, 20 questions are remaining. In the second round, once again, check those questions which are not solved. Now, what you can do, you can solve those questions in which you know that you are confused with two options. So try to solve such kind of questions and do some brainstorming and arrive to a conclusion for the best possible answer. And in the third round, try to solve those questions wherein you are not even aware, you do not have any idea. Like पता ही नहीं उसका आंसर क्या होगा. So here you can do Jai Mata Di or Jai Mahakal or like Inky Pinky Ponky, whatever you want to do. But please attempt each and every question because there is no negative marking. So try to solve your entire paper in three rounds. Guys, let me tell you guys, you will save a lot of time. Don't waste your time in solving a specific question. Like let's take an example. If I'm confused with this question, skip that one, move to the next one. Simple as that. And this is a very common mistake the student do while wasting more time, investing more time in a particular question. कि यार जब तक ये solve नहीं होगा मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा. Please do not do this. Next one, ignoring the common sense. Now, guys, common sense is very, very important, guys. Like, let's take an example. There is a question of identify the rice producing areas in India. And right, all right. And two options are given to you: northwestern part of India and the eastern part of India. And you're not aware, like, is it in northwestern side of India or in the eastern side of India? Now, you guys can use some common sense. Guys, if you know little about rice, like rice requires more of water, and already you studied about the distribution of rainfall in ninth class, so you can interlink two standards and try to understand. Like in ninth class we studied about like the northwestern side of India receives less rainfall as compared to the eastern part of India. So if rice requires more of water, rice is grown in the eastern side of India more. Simple as that. So try to use your logic, try to use your brain and some common sense. All right. Like why agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in north of India? Because over there you will find alluvial soil. Why alluvial soil? Because there are three major river Indus, river Ganga, river Brahmaputra, and their tributaries have deposited lot of materials in the North Indian plain, which has given rise to the most fertile soil, right? And agriculture is followed in that area. Simple as that. So use some common sense. Last and the final one, not revisiting the unsolved questions for brainstorming. Guys, the same point I covered in this one, wasting time on a specific question. So what you guys can do, you can solve the entire question paper in 3 rounds. In the first round, try to solve only those questions in which you are confident. In the second round, you can take those questions wherein you're confused with two options. And in the third round, what you guys can do, you can like solve those questions wherein you do not have any idea, and this is how you will be able to complete the entire paper. So guys, try to avoid these common mistakes. I hope guys the video was very useful to everyone. If yes, do not forget to hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section guys कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई या नहीं. All right guys, if you want to learn from us, all right, the link is there in the description box. This AD Pro is my coupon code guys. ये क्या है मैं आपको फटाफट बता देता हूँ. Like this is one of my video on YouTube. All right, what you can do guys, all right, just you can look at the description box. All right, see the description box. Accordingly you can take our subscription guys. Okay, we teach all the subjects, maths, physics, chem, bio, English, entire SST. All right guys, AD Pro is my coupon code. If you apply this code, you will get flat 10% off on all our plans. Guys, the difference between light and classic is like in classic you will get a doubts app, means after the class also you can ask unlimited questions. All right, so guys, there are many advantages of taking our pro subscription guys. You can download the notes, all the sessions are going to be live. You can interact with your teachers, you can ask unlimited questions, micro courses, tests, assignments. You can choose Hindi or English as the preferred language to learn from us, and many advantages which you will not get on YouTube. All right, so I hope you will remember these 5 common mistakes which are done by the students, and please do not repeat or avoid these mistakes. All right, thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next session. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye guys, take care. Jai Hind.